I'm here, in the background, but always alert. I'm the free digital extra, Van Uptime Monitor. What do? I keep your Mercedes-Benz vans ready for action. I analyze the technical conditions of your van in real time and detect critical issues early on. And when it matters, I provide clear recommendations directly to you, your fleet, and your team. I'm your connection between vehicle, workshop, and daily operations. For maximum vehicle uptime, structured into 3 levels of urgency. When time is of the essence, I ensure you receive immediate support from the Customer Assistance Center and your Mercedes-Benz service partner. Together we handle everything, from first contact to repair, to minimize any impact on your mobility. I make sure your Mercedes-Benz service partner bundles all repair needs, and that appointments can be optimally scheduled. This way, workshop visits are efficiently coordinated, and the required genuine parts are ready on time. For simple repair measures that you can easily perform yourself, I notify you directly via email. Clearly explained, quick to implement, and time-saving. This helps you reduce workshop costs. With my digital vehicle and fleet report, you always have a transparent, real-time overview of your vehicle's technical status and recommended actions. I understand how important it is for you to rely on your vehicles. That's why I support you with real-time information to detect critical conditions early, avoid downtime, and reduce operating costs. I provide full transparency, so you stay in control. I adapt to your needs, whether for a single vehicle or an entire fleet. Just activate me and use me anytime, completely free of charge. Van Uptime Monitor.